Yeah, just on 500 cattle yard here today and a beautiful spring day here at Mossvale. Best of the cows here today made up to $3.14 with some really nice limo cows. The consistent the cow market is 4 or 5 cents better, making mostly from $2.72 to around $2.94 without that outstanding cow at $3.14. Export cattle sold very well for the few export cattle we're here.
There was 8 bull yards here today, with all buyers operating. Bulls topped at $3.26 on a firm mark.
Yeah, trade cattle here today was very strong bid. Better in the trade all makers from $4.10 through to $4.48 for those good $3.50 to $4.40 kilo calves. Trade cattle are in demand.
These limited heifers here made about 250 kilos, making up to $5.
What happened to your arm?
Just a bit of muck-up week at school.
I'd like you to explain that to the OHS officer. Yeah, feeder steers here today were probably 4 or 5 cents dearer again. Some people didn't seem to have a lot of limits. These good black steers here were at $3.80 to $4.40, going up to $4.30, $4.40, even $4.45 or so. Very strong feeder market.
Restock Angus steers here today, fair bit firmer. The lighter ones making up to about $5.50, and the heavy ones here about $5.30.
Sort of $2.50 to $300. Good work, Jackson.
Big Angus bull, 1,115 kilos out of grade from there on the scale. He's got 38, 338, 35, 25 gone, 25 in, 25 now, 25 in, 25 now, 325. I sell him quick.